Are you tired of dealing with high humidity? Introducing the IW25 wall-mounted dehumidifier, designed to remove indoor moisture using tankless dehumidification technology. The in-on-wall dehumidifier efficiently manages humidity levels in living spaces up to 1,500 square feet and removes 33 pints of moisture daily. The whisper-quiet dehumidifier gravity drains or pumps into existing plumbing, works independently of HVAC systems, and combines bipolar ionization technology. Equipped with a washable filter, an LED maintenance indicator, and an automatic shutoff feature, this energy-efficient, hands-free dehumidifier enhances indoor air quality. The IW25 offers a reliable, low-maintenance solution for effortlessly improving the quality and comfort of your indoor space.